Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a destination in the Worldpackers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the hosts button at the bottom of the page on the left, and then click on the destination or keyword button. And as you can see, you can search for your own destination, or you can scroll through the top destinations as well as the most popular ones. So for example, if you want to search in Spain, then just click on that, and now you can just browse through and find some interesting destinations, and if you found one, then you can just click on that, and you can see the reviews, what it offers, what you will get, requirements, availability, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.